Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a no audio issue on this Furrion LCD TV out of a Jayco. It is model number ST2751A02-100-M3553, aka a Furrion FEHS28E8A. Let's get this bracket off the back of it. It's actually a 7mm socket. Now just to show you what it's doing. You hear the crackle? No audio is coming out, even though it's all the way up. So I'm going to take it apart and see what's up. Alrighty. So I've unhooked all the AV components. The power cord does not come out. Now I'm just going to take a Phillips screwdriver and undo all these screws. There are two different screw sizes here, so make sure you keep track which screw goes where. Looks like all the inner ones are machine screws, the smaller ones, and the outer ones are the longer, coarser screws. Alright, so my first guess is that the cord came loose for the audio. So this looks like where the audio cables route to. Yes, and where does the other side, white and black, terminate? Same harness, alright. So, looks like it's a simple connector. Pull that out. Check it. Looks good. Came out a little easy, but alright, let's push that good and solid into there and turn this back on and see if we have audio. Still no joy. So I'm going to leave it plugged in, working with one hand only, never using my left hand. I have it behind my back. Now let's wiggle. See if we can get audio. This, I believe, is audio out. Disconnect that, just for troubleshooting. Nope, it's not that. Let's fully disconnect the audio. Oh, did you hear that? I wonder if there's a short in just one side of these speakers. Let's see. I'm going to try. Let's see which channel sounds like it might be working. Okay, so this side is not working right now. Boondock Saints, love it. So I'm going to disconnect this speaker, which is the left speaker if you're facing the front of the TV. Alright, for the life of me, I cannot find my precision screwdriver that I used to release those terminals, so I'm just going to use some jumpers that I have. And I'm going to hook up the right audio channel here to red. black, and then connect them how they would be in the harness here. So red would be here, black would be here. Okay, now let's see if we have working audio in just this channel here. Just so you can see what I did. Jumper to the harness here to the connector on the main board. Now I'm going to hook this up to the left channel to see if the left channel is not sending audio out to the speaker. Yep, no audio coming out. Now we'll test this speaker here. Ground pins are the middle. There we go. Now let's test the left speaker on the right channel. Yeah, I just think the channel is hit. And that when the channel blew, it also took out the speaker itself. So let's take the speaker out and look at it. It looks like it's a generic 8 ohm 10 watt speaker. I just noticed this has an earphone out, so I'm going to test that. Interesting enough, the left channel on the headphones don't work either. And since I like being thorough, I'm going to test the line out as well. The line out left channel works. Alrighty, so I continue taking everything else apart. There are no obvious shorts in the headphone jack. There's no cold solder joints anywhere to be found. I'm going to look up the price of this board, the price of the speaker, to see if it's somehow insanely cheap, but I highly doubt it. Alright, I looked it up. The main board is 30 bucks. I couldn't find the speaker, but it's going to be at least 10, I would imagine, if I ordered it wholesale. So for 40 bucks to put parts into a 27-inch TV in 2020, not a good investment. So I spoke to the TV's owner, and they're fine with just the left channel working, and previously the line out did not work, so there's an improvement. Now they can hook it up for sure. Alright, so I got the board back mounted. I'm just going to cut the wires of the bad speaker, and that should allow the audio to return to the right speaker when I hook the harness back up.
Video.
There we go.
Get into it.
Get into it. Now to tape up these connections with electrical tape so there's no shorts, and we'll be in business. And now to remember where all the screws go. So it's still pretty loud, even with only one speaker. And I think it'll work fine for the 8 times a year that people camp. So I hope this video helped someone. Thanks for watching.